So, when people talk about investment, that's the first thing they say. People want to make a small investment and get a big return, or what's the ROI? What's going to be the return on my investment? And so I tell people all the time, I've made the investment of creating this Masternomics company. What I invested my time into the people that I love and the people that I want to reach. Those will be my students, the people that I mentor, various people that buy our services, the books, the courses. So I made the investment. So when we're talking about investment, your mind normally thinks of, it can be real estate, it could be in stocks, Bitcoin, or some form of currency, things like that. Understand this when we're talking about investment. We're talking about energy. See, when I teach Masternomics, everything deals with energy. Everything you see here, do, touch, it's all energy. And so we're talking about you putting energy in a particular thing. Now, investment, sometimes you don't get the return right away. The true investors that truly understand, we understand what's called delayed gratification. So which means it might not be gratifying immediately. And that's why a lot of people fail at investing, because they don't grasp that reality. So I always tell people, before you want to be a real estate investor, before you want to invest in stocks and things of that nature, you have to invest in the knowledge and learning and getting an understanding of what you want to invest in physically. So your first investment should be investing in a course on that particular subject. Case in point, if you want to be a real estate investor, you need to invest in a course that deals specifically with investing in real estate. You don't want to just up and jump and think you can put some money in something and think the money is going to come back in a week or two or a month, and then you're depressed 6 months down the line, and you're like, well, I keep having to put money into this property. It's not what I thought. Well, you didn't make the proper investment. The first investment, my advice, is to invest in courses, books, and study. That is a very affordable investment. I don't even like to use cheap, but it is cheap. Me, myself, I invest in courses all of the time. People say, well, you make courses. Well, I'm always learning. We're always going to be learning. We got 360 degrees of knowledge. This ain't never going to stop. So if you're going to be an investor, you should constantly invest in people that know what they're talking about. So your first investment should be in courses, books, and study upon what you want to invest in. Do that. You have to do your homework. Understand delayed gratification, right? Wealth, because I deal with wealth building. You can get rich like this, but all the money can be gone too, just like that. We're talking about wealth. It happens over a period of time with the proper investments. First investment, invest your time wisely in studying exactly what you want to do. Whatever business you want to do, whatever you want to invest in, real estate, stocks, whatever, study. Buy some books about it, get some courses. There's no excuse. We've got all types of information in the world. Make that investment first and get a grasp and an understanding of what you're going to need so you can do exactly what you want to do, and you'll be successful and you'll get a good return on your investment.